Now, being an industry authority in your particular field means you have to be completely on top of what's hot and what's not. You need to know what people are talking about in your industry, you need to know people's opinions, and you also need to know what your audience are loving hearing about that particular topic and what they think is a load of old pie. So there is a fantastic tool that I highly recommend you start using so that you can constantly be on top of the buzz, and that is aptly named BuzzSumo. Now, BuzzSumo shows you what topics are trending in your industry and what are flopping, basically. So when you log into BuzzSumo, there's a search box in there, and type in the keywords that are related to your particular industry or area of expertise. And what that will do is actually bring up a list of all of the articles or posts that have been published out on the internet. And importantly, will then tell you how many shares it had, how many likes it got on social media. So you can see that all the ones that come up on the top are the most popular. They're the ones that you either want to be resharing on yourself to your audience, or of course being inspired by to write your own version of that similar type of post so that you too can create yourself some viral and highly engaged with content for your particular audience. So BuzzSumo, get on it.